Hi there and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be creating our player health bar. So that's basically I'm going to be showing how you can create a health bar widget and how can update this widget and how can deal damage against this health bar and also be updating it just like that. In order to create our player health bar, we first need to create the health bar itself. For that, I'm going to be creating a widget. So here in our content folder, right click and then go to user interface and select widget blueprint. This is going to be a user widget, and so I'm going to name it y underscore player health bar. Open this up, and then over here in our palette I'm going to search for canvas and drag this canvas panel over here, and then in this canvas panel I'm going to get a progress bar, and then I'm going to place inside our canvas panel. This progress bar is going to be our health bar, just like that. I think I'm going to make it not that bigger, not that small either, something like that. Actually, not that much. Something like this should be good. And then here in our fill color and opacity, I'm going to select green. Actually red, because it's the color most used for health bars, but you can use any color that you want. I think that's pretty good. And then of course you can set the percent over here, but I'm not going to be manually updating this. I'm going to create a function for that. For now, just compile it, save it, and actually let's just create a function right now. Let's go into our graph, and then over here I'm going to create a function that is to update health bar. Then what this function is going to do is to basically receive an input that's going to be our current health. This is going to be a float like that. This float I'm going to divide it by 100, and I'm going to get our health bar, and then from this I'm going to set percent and then place this pin over here just like that. Now should be able to update our health bar, but I still need to get this value to get this event. For that, now I am going to our third person blueprints, third person character, and then over here in the event begin play, at the end I'm going to just get a create widget. Then I'm going to select the widget that we have just created. That's going to be our y underscore player health bar, and then I'm going to add this to viewport just like that. Compile it, just make things a little bit easier. I'm going to promote this to a variable as well. So this is going to be our y underscore health bar, and break this link, place this pin over here, here, and here. Now compile it, save it. So this is going to be to create health bar like that. Show bubble, and then down here I still need to update our health bar. For that I'm going to be using the event tick, so just search for event tick, and then I am going to be get our y health bar, and the event I think was called update health bar, so I'm going to just right click, I'm going to deselect content sensitive, and I'm going to get update health bar. I'm going to place this as the target in the event tick over here, and then I'm going to create a new variable that's going to be our health. This is going to be a float. Just select float over here. By default it's going to be 100, and then I'm going to be getting it into here to update it like that. Now compile it, save it. Let's go into our game. So as you can see, I have our health bar over here, and it is 100 by default. If I come back here and let's say if I select this to be let's say 20, I compile this, save it. If I go back, as you can see, is only that, and it's going to be updating it. Just for testing, I'm going to show how you can use this to decrease the health of your player. So here in our third person character, I'm going to get event any damage, so just get, actually first select content sensitive and then get any damage. So get this event any damage, and basically what I'm going to be doing is, once this event is called, I'm going to get our current health, then I'm going to decrease this, subtract the amount of damage like that. Actually break this link, and this one as well, place this under here, health, and then damage like that. And then I'm going to be setting our health bar over here to our new value like that. So this should be able to update, so every time I receive damage, this basically is going to be updating health bar, and this is going to be to update health. But just for testing, I'm going to get the event damage into this actor. So let's get event do damage. Actually, I think it was, let's see, I'm not sure how it was called. Event any damage, event apply damage, this one over here. So the damage actor in this case is going to be self. Of course, this event is going to be called on your enemies or in what you are using to deal damage against your player. But yeah, this is on for testing. I think I'm going to be getting this in the event tick for this test. So I'm going to just also get a delay of, let's say, 0.6 seconds, 0.5 seconds. Place it over there. The base damage, let's say something like 3. And yeah, I think I just made a small mistake over here. I was trying to organize this, but I made a mistake. The damage and the health over here is not in the right position. So just break this link again and this one. Place the health over here and then the damage over here. Now compile, save it, and it should be working fine. So as you can see, every half second I'm going to be decreasing 3 points of health, and it is updating our health bar. And that's basically it. Just a reminder, if you are using these source files, this is for debug only. You should not be using this on your player character. This is going to be called, this is an example, so that you can use this on your enemies to deal damage against your player. So this is, let's just call it debug damage, like that. Compile it, save it, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Visit train.memtinteract.com and enroll in this course to get all source files. Use coupon code MEMT to enroll for free.